In this video, I want to show you guys a new dock animation for Windows 11. It's actually pretty cool. So check this out. When I hover my mouse, there is a macOS-like animation in Windows 11 taskbar. So there is this free and open source app for Windows called WinDock. Using this, you can customize your Windows many ways. You can change the taskbar style, you can change start menu style. There are like hundreds of extensions that you can download to customize. They call it a mod, so you can call it whatever you want. So there is this new mod called Taskbar Dock Animation. Animates taskbar icons on mouse hover like in macOS. Right now, this version is experimental, and that means it's not fully stable because there are some bugs. I'll show you guys what are the bugs, but I really like the animation. Okay, macOS dock animation is actually pretty cool. Okay, when you hover your mouse, the icon gets a little bit bigger and we can select that. It's pretty cool actually. So you can just get the WinDock and get this mod and do some settings. You can change the maximum scale, effect radius and all that. And you can see I actually use a lot of mods like Alt Tab per monitor, the classic right click menu and all that. And this is yet another my favorite mod to customize Windows 11. Let's talk about the bugs and why this is still in experimental. Icons sometimes clipped by the taskbar, and upscaled icons may appear slightly blurry. So if I select any icon, you can see it's jumping, but it's clipping. The small portion of the icon is disappearing basically. And it also gets a little bit blurry. It's not clear. When you're doing this quickly, like you can go here and select that, you won't notice anything. Okay, you can open app and all that. Okay, you won't notice anything. For regular use, it's not that bad. But for the aesthetic, yeah, the blurriness and clipping does feel a little bit weird. So for that, we'll have to wait for it to become stable. Okay, now I want to try something here. There is another mod called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Maybe using this, we can fix the blurriness and clipping. Let's try this out. I'm going to install this mod. Animation is perfect. Okay, there is nothing wrong with the animation. But if you wait and when the icon jumps, you can see it's clipping and it's also a little bit blurry. So maybe using this, I can try to fix it. I have not tried it. So it made my taskbar a little bit bigger. The blurriness is kind of fixed. Yeah, we fixed the blurriness with this. Yeah, I think we did. So using this, you can change the taskbar and icon size. Let's change the height to default 48. That's the default height of taskbar. And the icon is, oh, okay, wait. The default is 24. Let's change it to 16. Okay. Oh, that's way too small. 24. Okay, let's do that and let's check out the clipping. Yeah, it's happening. Maybe we increase the size. Okay, it's still clipping. I know it will work, but it may not be perfect. Yeah, now it's not clipping. We can make the taskbar bigger, okay, and make the icons smaller. That way we can fix this. Okay, there is no blurriness. I mean, it's too small. But there is no blurriness actually, look at that. And the icon is not clipping. Okay, that's good. So what we can do here is actually make the taskbar huge, maybe 60, and make the icon size default 24. Okay, that's good. But the taskbar is bigger now. Okay, there is still just tiny bit of clipping. Let's do 63. Yeah, 64 and 5 will do actually, but the taskbar size will become bigger, and you can see now it's not clipping. I'm using the Windows 11 taskbar styler, that's why it's transparent. If I disable it, you can see it makes the taskbar huge. Now, yeah, it's not clipping. I think the 65 will do. I mean, that's like temporary fix. We want this mod to work without increasing the taskbar size. I was just experimenting. I thought that I can fix it, but I mean, we can fix it still, but it's not good because it increases the taskbar size from top and bottom. If you just wait and see what happens to the icon, I mean, then you'll notice that it's clipping and there is a little bit blurriness, but rest, for a quick hover and open the app, it's perfect. I mean, I like it. Even if it's in experimental, I'm gonna be using it. And I also did a video showing my favorite mods. I'll put a link in the description. You can go there and check that out. Maybe if you're wondering, how did I get this transparent taskbar and how did I get the right click menu? There are many other mods that I'm using actually. Okay, so yeah, this one is also pretty cool. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.